see the one crossing. Oh. I don't see shit. Where's that coming from?
I can't take this side. I'm casting a shadow.
Jeez, I don't see shit. You guys got a target?
There's a guy on the other side of orange.
Yep, yep.
Keep that side though, the shadows are too long.
Smoke.
You got the guy on heli? Is there any on white wall? I didn't see it.
All right. Vertical, straight up, straight across from you this way. He just ran into there, right on the other side of the smoke.
Oh shit.
He's close.
I'm gonna back up.
Yeah, he's backing up to the, what is it, that container over there.
The tan container?
Yeah, straight over.
Okay.
He's inside it. If I stand up. God damn it.
Tan container.
Yeah, yeah.
Where you at? Tan container. Behind the smoke.
There's one in there, just one.
Watch up on the hill. Stand pit, they're coming on the right.
Come on, dude. They're like going right over his head. Shit, I hate to stand up. Oh, I got him. Ha! How about that, fucker?
Behind the white trailer, or the wood pole sticking up.
White trailer, wood pole. Oh, we got one up close right there. Stick your head in, dude.
I think there's dudes in the trees right here behind the blue barrel.
How far up?
40 feet behind the blue barrels. I saw them run back to the right. They might be in the weeds. Behind tan container. Right. You're casting a shadow on the other side of orange.
Yep, I see it. Can't be helped. That dude's back up top there. Shit, man, we ain't doing shit, guys. We need to move up. Not that way, though. Anybody know where the shots just came from? That
It sounded like it was that way. I couldn't tell.
you see anything up through?
No. No, I just know that there's a dude over here. I don't want to let him come up on us.
I hear ya.
He's probably sitting on tan.
I need to get out of here. Hey, you're right. There's one of those pine trees on the right side all the way up. I don't see anything behind those blue barrels.
Silver car. He's right in front of you.
Wall right here, wall right here.
Wall right here. Oh, this big wall?
Yeah, the white one. He's got me pinned. Oh, hit! Not fast enough.
Shot from. Are you not getting me in calm? Okay, he's still in the corner. We got one center turn in there, so I can go ridge.
In this tan thing here, right
Yeah,
here?
I got one there.
Inside or outside?
Inside in the right corner.
Yeah, he's still there. See that guy over there? He's hit. Oh, sorry about that, man. All diamond. You got me before, though.